Have you ever stopped to think about why you find certain things beautiful? What is it about a scene, a piece of art, or a moment in nature that captures your attention and stirs something deep within you? Why are you drawn to a vibrant sunset, a captivating painting, or a colorful mural on a city wall? These experiences are not just fleeting moments of pleasure, they resonate with us on a profound level. Consider the delicate features of a flower, its intricate design, the way it blooms, and its fragrance all contribute to a sensory experience that feels almost magical. But why do these elements evoke such a strong response in us? It's a question that has intrigued philosophers and scientists for centuries. From ancient Greek thinkers to modern-day researchers, the quest to understand beauty has been a journey through the realms of art, psychology, and neuroscience. The answer lies within the intricate workings of your own mind. Our perception of beauty is deeply rooted in the brain's complex network of neurons and synapses which process and interpret sensory information. Our brains are wired to seek out patterns and make sense of the world around us. This ability to recognize and appreciate patterns is fundamental to our survival and has evolved over millennia. From a very young age, we begin to recognize shapes, colors, and forms. These early experiences help us build a mental library of what we find pleasing and harmonious, shaping our sense of beauty as we grow. This mental library is constantly updated as we encounter new experiences and stimuli. Whether it's a painting, a sculpture, or a beautifully arranged bouquet of flowers, our brains are continually refining our sense of aesthetics. This innate ability to perceive and appreciate beauty is not merely a matter of aesthetics. It's deeply intertwined with our cognitive processes and emotional responses. Beauty can evoke powerful emotions from joy and awe to tranquility and introspection. These emotional responses are a testament to the profound impact that beauty has on our well-being. It can bring people together, create shared experiences, and foster a sense of connection with the world around us. In this exploration of beauty, we'll embark on a captivating journey into the fascinating realm where art and neuroscience intersect. We'll uncover the scientific principles that explain why certain forms and patterns are universally appealing. We'll delve into the principles of Islamic aesthetics, exploring how geometric patterns, mathematical precision, and spiritual symbolism converge to create art that has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. Islamic art is a testament to the human desire to find order and meaning in the universe. The intricate designs and patterns are not just visually stunning, they also reflect a deep spiritual and philosophical understanding of the world. Join me as we unlock the secrets of why beauty mesmerizes us. We'll explore the ways in which art, nature, and the human mind are interconnected, revealing the profound connection between your brain, the world around you, and the timeless allure of Islamic art. Together, we'll discover how beauty shapes our perceptions, influences our emotions, and enriches our lives, offering a glimpse into the timeless and universal appeal of art and nature. Imagine your brain as a grand orchestra with different sections responsible for processing various types of information. Just like an orchestra has strings, woodwinds, brass, and percussion, your brain has specialized areas for different tasks. These sections work in harmony to create a cohesive experience of the world around you. When you encounter something beautiful, whether it's a breathtaking landscape or an intricately designed mosaic, your brain doesn't just passively observe, it actively engages, analyzing and interpreting the visual information. This engagement is what makes the experience of beauty so profound and moving. A specific area of your brain called the reward pathway lights up, and this pathway is a complex network of neurons that communicate using chemical signals. When activated, it releases neurotransmitters that make you feel good. This area is associated with pleasure and positive emotions, releasing a cascade of feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals not only enhance your mood, but also reinforce the behavior that led to their release, encouraging you to seek out similar experiences in the future. But what triggers this pleasurable response? It's not just any random stimulus. The brain is particularly attuned to patterns and regularities in the environment. These patterns can be visual, auditory, or even conceptual. The answer lies in our brain's remarkable ability to detect and appreciate patterns. This ability is deeply rooted in our evolutionary history. Recognizing patterns helped our ancestors find food, avoid predators, and navigate their surroundings. From the symmetrical arrangement of petals in a flower to the repeating motifs in a musical composition, our brains are constantly searching for order and coherence in the world around us. This search for patterns is not just a passive process, it's an active and dynamic one. Our brains are constantly searching for order and coherence in the world around us. When we encounter patterns that are both novel and understandable, our brains experience a sense of satisfaction and delight. This is because these patterns provide a sense of predictability and control, which is inherently rewarding. When we encounter patterns that are both novel and understandable, our brains experience a sense of satisfaction and delight. This is because recognizing patterns allows us to make predictions, anticipate outcomes, and navigate our environment more effectively. This ability to predict and understand our surroundings is crucial for our survival. This is because recognizing patterns allows us to make predictions, anticipate outcomes, and navigate our environment more effectively. For example, understanding weather patterns can help us prepare for storms, while recognizing animal tracks can alert us to potential dangers. In essence, our appreciation for beauty is deeply rooted in our survival instincts. The more adept we are at recognizing and interpreting patterns, the better our chances of survival. This is why our brains have evolved to find pleasure in patterns and regularities. The more our brains encounter and process these patterns, the more refined our sense of beauty becomes. Over time, we develop preferences for certain types of patterns, whether they are found in nature, art, or music. These preferences are shaped by our individual experiences and cultural background. This explains why we might find certain works of art or natural wonders more captivating than others. They resonate with the patterns and preferences our brains have developed over time. In this way, our sense of beauty is both universal and deeply personal, reflecting the intricate symphony of patterns that make up our lives. Have you ever wondered why a sunset seems universally beautiful? It's as if the sky itself is painting a masterpiece, blending hues of orange, pink, and purple in a way that captivates our senses and stirs our emotions. The beauty of a sunset is not just in its colors, but in the fleeting nature of the moment, reminding us of the passage of time and the ever-changing world around us. Why do we find ourselves captivated by the swirling colors of a seashell? Each seashell tells a story of the ocean's currents and the life it once housed. The intricate patterns and vibrant colors are a testament to the wonders of marine life, crafted over time by the forces of nature, or the delicate symmetry of a snowflake. Each snowflake is a unique marvel of geometry, formed in the cold embrace of winter. The fleeting beauty of a snowflake melting as soon as it touches a warm surface reminds us of the transient nature of beauty itself. Nature, it seems, is an endless source of aesthetic wonder, offering us countless moments of beauty that can be found in the most unexpected places. From the grandeur of a mountain range at dawn to the quiet serenity of a forest bathed in sunlight, nature's beauty is both vast and intimate, and our brains are hardwired to appreciate its intricate designs. The human mind is naturally drawn to patterns and symmetry, finding pleasure in the harmonious arrangements that nature provides. This appreciation for beauty is deeply rooted in our biology, influencing our emotions and even our well-being. From the Fibonacci spiral found in the arrangement of sunflower seeds, a pattern that repeats itself in countless forms throughout nature, to the way leaves are arranged on a stem, these natural designs are not just visually pleasing but also functionally efficient. To the fractal patterns that repeat at different scales in coastlines and mountain ranges, these patterns reveal the underlying order of the natural world. Fractals, with their self-similar structures, can be found in everything from the branching of trees to the formation of clouds. Nature is replete with examples of mathematical harmony and order. These patterns are not just random occurrences, but are the result of natural laws and processes that govern the world around us. They provide a sense of balance and coherence, making the natural world both predictable and endlessly fascinating. These patterns, often hidden in plain sight, evoke a sense of awe and wonder in us, encouraging us to look closer and appreciate the details that make up the larger picture. Whether it's the intricate design of a leaf or the vast expanse of the night sky, these moments of discovery connect us to the world in profound ways, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all things. The flight of birds in formation or the winding path of a river through a forest are not just beautiful sights, but also symbols of the complex web of life that binds us all together. These natural phenomena highlight the delicate balance and interdependence of ecosystems. But nature's beauty is not limited to grand displays of symmetry and order. It's also present in the subtle imperfections that add character and uniqueness to the natural world. The irregular shapes of leaves, the varied colors of a meadow in bloom, these small details contribute to the overall tapestry of life. It's also present in the subtle imperfections, the marks of time, and the signs of life's journey. The weathered wood of an old tree or the slightly wilted petals of a flower tell stories of resilience and adaptation, adding depth to our appreciation of beauty, the unexpected variations and the ever-changing tapestry of life. The shifting patterns of weather, the blooming of a flower, these dynamic elements remind us that beauty is not static but constantly evolving. Each moment offers a new perspective, a fresh opportunity to find wonder in the world around us. The weathered bark of an ancient tree, with its deep grooves and textured surface, tells a story of endurance and growth. Each line and crack is a testament to the passage of time, adding to the tree's unique beauty. The delicate dance of a butterfly in flight, its wings fluttering with grace and precision, is a moment of pure poetry and motion. The butterfly's journey from flower to flower is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. The crashing waves of a stormy sea, a powerful display of nature's raw energy and force. The relentless motion of the waves, their rhythmic rise and fall, is both mesmerizing and humbling, reminding us of the vastness and power of the natural world. All these evoke a sense of wonder and appreciation for the beauty that surrounds us. By taking the time to observe and reflect on these natural phenomena, we can deepen our connection to the world and find inspiration in its endless variety. By attuning ourselves to the patterns and rhythms of the natural world, we can cultivate a deeper appreciation for beauty in all its forms. Whether through meditation, mindful walking, or simply taking a moment to pause and observe, we can enhance our awareness and find joy in the simple pleasures of life. We can cultivate a deeper appreciation for beauty in all its forms. This heightened awareness allows us to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, to find moments of awe and inspiration in the everyday wonders that often go unnoticed. We begin to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, finding beauty in the simplest of things. The glint of sunlight on a raindrop, the delicate veins of a leaf, these small details become sources of wonder and joy. Finding moments of awe and inspiration in the everyday wonders that often go unnoticed. By embracing this perspective, we can enrich our lives and foster a deeper connection to the world around us, discovering beauty in places we never thought to look. Our fascination with faces is deeply ingrained in our biology. As social creatures, we rely on facial expressions to communicate emotions, build relationships, and navigate complex social interactions. It's no surprise then that our brains are highly attuned to the subtle nuances of facial features. But what makes a face beautiful? Research suggests that we are drawn to faces that exhibit symmetry, balance, and averageness. Symmetrical faces are often perceived as more attractive because they signal good genes and developmental stability. Similarly, faces that are closer to the average facial configuration of a population are considered more familiar and approachable. However, beauty is not solely determined by mathematical proportions. Our perceptions of facial attractiveness are also influenced by factors such as cultural norms, personal preferences, and even our own individual experiences. The allure of faces lies in their ability to convey a wealth of information about a person's identity, emotions, and intentions. A genuine smile, a kind gaze, or a look of concern can instantly captivate our attention and evoke a range of emotions.